It might work.
I think it might. I have to cut that bottom. I don't think it's going to be good with it hanging so long. But
So what on earth did you make this curtain out of?
drop cloth. 2 mil drop cloth.
Let's see, I don't know that I can see up in there, but we use tape. There we go. Tape and zip ties to hang up these babies.
Yep, and if it doesn't work, then I can just get shower curtain or something heavier, but I think...
So this will allow us to mill without getting chips all over the basement, hopefully.
I think it'll work just fine.
You'll have to make something so we can check it out.
I know. Well, I'm planning on it. I have to cut a new support plate, a bracket for my servo motor. The one that I cut is off by a smidge.
Cool.